warlords, famine, pirates. All images most commonly associated with Somalia in people's minds. The country, once labeled the Switzerland of Africa, has suffered a steady and tragic decline for decades. But beneath the prolonged suffering and chaos is a land rich in history and heritage, and a people struggling to maintain a semblance of normality in the absence of a state. In the Horn of Africa, Somalia is the continent's most easterly country. It has the longest coastline in mainland Africa, stretching more than 3,000 kilometers along the Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Aden, and the Red Sea. Its location turned Somalia into a strategically important trading center in the ancient world. But the history of Somalia